So I'm here with Cliff Whittaker from the Hamilton City Council. Now Cliff, tell me a little bit about what you guys do and what you use Ironman Concrete Cutting for.
We're a contracting unit arm of the Hamilton City Council that provides doing repair work and some small installation on water mains, sewer mains and stormwater, and also have a branch and do paintings for housing for the council. And mainly we use Ironman for doing all our sewer cutting and concrete cutting, and also some specialised grinding jobs and drilling jobs when needed. And he does a fair bit of work for the wastewater treatment plants and the water treatment plant, which is a branch under our arm of the wing of the council as well.
Sure, okay, and so there's quite a bit of road cutting and that sort of stuff. And
yeah, well, mainly I look after the water construction gangs and the drainage construction gangs, so I've got 25 staff, 3 in a gang, and I can have up to 5 gangs working a day. We have to have concrete cutting done on a day-to-day basis depending on what they're doing.
Sure, okay. So look, Cliff, there's a bunch of concrete cutters out there. So why do you choose to use Ironman Concrete Cutting?
We've used Ange ever since he started up in business, and he's always been met the expectation we would like to have, as in he rings me in the mornings and asks me how many jobs he's got for the day so he can work his men around so he doesn't hold us up, and the service we've had from him has been great. Like, we have used some other concrete cutters in the past and they haven't been as reliable, so no, we're more than happy with his work. Sure.
And what are one or two of the key things about Ironman Concrete Cutting that make them really good to deal with?
The good thing, you contact them. They've got 2 or 3 or 4 contact phone numbers now, so you always usually have somebody on your job within the hour and a half when you need them, as long as you give them a bit of notice so they can work their jobs out where they're working. And they do a good job, and it's value for money. Like, they've got good machinery, good equipment, and we don't usually have any comebacks, so hey, that's all you want. You just want to get the job done, and so my men can keep going, because my men can be held up, like you're talking $180 an hour to hold.
Sure.
Not 3 of my men up, so you know.
So it's important that they're on time.
Yep.
And they are on time for
yep.
you. Yep. Okay. No, that's great. So Cliff, what would you say if there was someone else looking for a concrete cutter and they were thinking of using Ironman? What would you say to them?
Oh, I would tell them, hey, you've got to give Ange a ring and get together and have a talk, because in my opinion, he's one of the best concrete cutters in Hamilton, and he's been around a long time. He's probably the longest serving concrete cutter in Hamilton, and yeah, value for money. Hey, you can't go past him.
Okay, thanks a lot.